Hello everyone, this is Debashis Misra. Today we will discuss an important topic that is frequently asked interview questions based on nodal analysis. So my dear students, in my previous video I have discussed all about nodal analysis. So you go through this so that your doubt will be cleared whenever we solve some problems. And you also go through the KCL. I have given the video of KCL and some important question all about KCL. You go through this so that it will be very easy. Okay, students. So wherever you will go, any type of interview that may be for government, that may be for private, you will find such type of question. Even if you are preparing for GATE, you also find such type of question. I have prepared, I have collected some questions, so it will help you in your interview. And if you are new, my dear student, please subscribe my channel and share with your friend so that it will help you and your friends. So we'll start now. Find the value of node voltage V. This is the diagram. Find the value of node voltage V. These are the options. So you see, I have already told you when you will calculate the node voltage V, apply KCL, Kirchhoff's current law. Incoming current is equals to the outgoing current. So 2 is the incoming, 8 is the outgoing, and this current is also outgoing. So 2 is equals to V by 10 plus 8. So V by 10 is equal to 6. So V is equals to minus 60. So what is the answer? Answer is D, minus 60. Clear, students? Only remember, in nodal analysis you will apply KCL and incoming current is equals to the outgoing current. Nodal analysis is based on what? Ohm's law, KVL, KCL, Newton's law. Please think in this particular time. Answer is C, Kirchhoff's current law. If there are 5 nodes in a network, we can get how many number of equations in the nodal analysis? The option is 4, 3, 2 and 1. What will be your answer? Answer A. Because I have already told you it will be n minus 1. So it is 4. Clear, students? Nodal analysis can be applied for planar network, non-planar network, both planar and non-planar network, neither planar nor non-planar network. Answer C is the correct answer. Both planar and non-planar networks. How many nodes are taken as reference nodes in a nodal analysis? Answer is B, 1 node. Nodal analysis is generally used to determine for what? Current, voltage, power, resistance. Answer is V, voltage. Calculate the node voltage V1 and V2. This is the circuit diagram. These are the options. So you see here, applying nodal analysis at node 1. This is your node 1, this is your node 2. So apply nodal analysis at node 1. See the incoming current, 2 is the incoming and 4 is the outgoing, and V1 by 2, this current, voltage by resistance is current, is also outgoing, and this current V1 minus V2 by 2, this is the outgoing current. So 2 is equals to 4 plus V1 by 2 plus V1 minus V2 by 2. It implies that 2 is equals to, taking LCM, you will get 8 plus 2V1 minus V2 by 2. So you will get the equation 2V1 minus V2 is equals to minus 4, which is equation number 1. Then applying nodal analysis at node 2. This is your node 2. So see, 7 is the incoming, 4 is the incoming, and V2 by 8 is outgoing. V2 minus V1 by 2 is the outgoing. outgoing current. So 7 plus 4 is equals to V2 by 8 plus V2 minus V1 by 2. So 11 is equals to, taking LCM, V2 plus 4V2 minus 4V1 by 8. So it implies that minus 4V1 plus 5V2 is equals to 88. So solve this equation and you will find the answer. Answer C is the correct answer, 11.33 volt and 26.67 volt. Such type of problem will come in your GATE exam or any type of government or private exam. Your concept will be clear. You just see this. Any doubt, just comment me in the comment box. Find the node voltage V. See here. Applying nodal analysis, simple. You see, this is the outgoing, this is the outgoing, this is the outgoing. So V plus to minus minus. So V minus 10, V by 1, V plus minus minus, V minus 7 by 3 is equals to 0. These are all outgoing currents, so there is no incoming current, means it will be 0. So V will be your 4 volt. Answer A is the correct answer. Very easy. You see here, what is the node voltage V in the circuit? This is the node voltage. So applied the nodal analysis. So this is 30 minus V divided by 10 plus 9. This is also incoming, this is incoming, this is incoming, and this is also incoming. 36 minus V by 20 is equals to 0. If you will solve this equation, you will find V is equals to 92 volt. So answer D is the correct answer. What is the value of the source voltage? 12, 24, 30, 44. Applying nodal analysis at node 1. You see here, this is your 1 is your incoming, 2 is also is your incoming. So 1 plus 2 is equals to, this is your V, V by 6. So V is equals to 18, 6 into 3, 18. Now this is the voltage, source voltage, E minus 6 into 2 is equals to V. This is the voltage, and if you will minus this voltage, you will get this voltage. So E is equals to 18 plus 12 is 30 volt. So answer is C, 30 volt. Clear? Any doubt, you just comment me in the comment box. I will make you understand. So thank you my dear students. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.